Children, welcome to our maths class. Now we are learning second chapter has completed. We are learning third chapter. But third chapter is about simple equations. Already in our previous classes we have learned what is a simple equation, why we will use these simple equations. We have learned what is LHS and what is RHS also. We have learned LHS and RHS. Based on that LHS and RHS, we have completed first exercise 1. In our second class, we have learnt about how to find the solutions for simple equations. That means we have learned transforming the terms from LHS to RHS. We have learned transforming the terms. Transforming terms from LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS we have learned. For example, if in the LHS we have the plus quantity, then in RHS the quantity plus quantity becomes minus quantity. If in the LHS we have the term in the minus quantity, then when it goes to the RHS, then it becomes plus quantity. If the term in LHS side, if the term is in multiplication, then when it goes to the RHS side, the term becomes into division. If the term is in LHS side in division, then when it goes to RHS side, then it becomes multiplication. And these are the transforming of signs from transforming the terms from LHS to RHS side. From LHS to RHS side. If in the LHS, if the term is in plus, then in RHS it becomes minus. If the term in the LHS, if it is minus, in RHS it becomes plus. If the term in the LHS, if it is into, in the RHS it is division. In the LHS, if it is in division, in RHS it is multiplication. Like this, the symbols will change, terms will change from LHS to RHS. So we have learned this, and we have learned how to find the solutions also we have learned. Once again I will explain one problem, and today we will go to the exercise 2. Today we will go to exercise 2. Now see one question. 3x minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 10. Then find the value of x. Find the value of x we have to find here now. Just already in the previous class I said I have given some problems also homework. Have you completed that? Complete the problems and send to me. Now see here. You have to remember in LHS side and in the left hand side. Now in simple equations we are using capital letters, small x, small y, small z, small a, small n. Whatever I want to use the letter, that letter I am using. Now you should remember that always in your LHS side, English small letter should be in your LHS side and all the numerical should be RHS side. That means here before, for example, in LHS is before is equal to, RHS is after is equal to. In LHS side, that means in your left hand side, always you have to use only English letters. English small letters, we should keep only English small letters. LHS side lo ippudu English small letters maatrame undali. RHS side, in RHS side always you have to write numerical numbers. That means numbers. Whatever we have the numbers here, that numbers should be in RHS side, and whatever the symbols, letters, small x, small y, that should be LHS side. Should remember this. Now we have to find the solution for this. 3x minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 10. Now in RHS side, we have one new English alphabet capital in 5x term is there. Now always what I said, English small letter should be in LHS side, numerical should be in RHS side. So this 5x, 3x, we have to bring this 5x to LHS side. Now in RHS this 5x is plus. So when it comes to LHS it becomes minus. So it is plus 5x becomes minus 5x is equal to, now 5x comes to LHS side. So which number left here? 10. So after 10, the first number is, after is equal, the first number is 10. 10 only have to write. Next, in LHS side we have a numerical number. What is that? 5. 5 5 or minus 5? Minus 5. This minus 5 is in LHS. When it comes to RHS, it becomes minus quantity becomes plus quantity. So minus 5 becomes plus 5 when it comes to RHS. See, LHS side, RHS side. LHS side we have English small letters, RHS side all the numerical numbers. Now see, 3x minus 5x is minus 2x. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Here we have only, so x only. So we have to write only x is equal to 10 plus 5 is 15. Just now I said always in your left hand side only English letter should be in left side. So that English small letter should be x. X is equal to, the relation between 2 and x is multiplication. Now we have to send this 2 to the RHS side. Now these two are in multiplication. So when it goes to RHS side, this 2 will becomes division. So it becomes 15 by 2 minus only. Always minus symbol should be for numerical numbers only. Minus symbol level numerical number symbols for the So the value of x is minus 15 by 2. Already we have learnt in our previous class, I think 6th class lo నేర్చుకున్నాం. Once again I am explaining. See, more one problem. 3y minus 5 is equal to 4y minus 15. 4y minus 15. Then y term we should bring to the LHS side. 3y. In RHS side, this 4y term has plus symbol. So when it comes to LHS symbol, it becomes minus 4y is equal to, now minus 4y comes to this side. What is the number left here? Minus 15. You should write minus 15 only. Minus 15. Now in LHS side we have minus 5. Now minus 5 we have to write to the RHS side. Minus 5 will becomes plus 5. Minus 5 will becomes plus 5. Now 3y minus 4y minus y is equal to minus 15 plus 5 minus 10. Minus 15 plus 5. Addition of integers. Integers నేర్చుకున్నాం కదా. Minus 15 plus 5. If you have a negative symbol and a positive symbol, you have to subtract. So 15 minus 5 is 10. Out of these two numbers, 15 is a greater number. So 15 will have minus symbol, so minus 10. So now see here, for both sides, here it is minus 5, it is minus 10. Both sides we have minus symbol. So we can cancel. Minus minus will get cancelled. So the value of y is 10. Like this, you can find the solutions for the simple equations. Okay? For example, if you are like this, n by 6 is equal to 5. Then what is the value of n? Now LHS side we have to write only n. Now this 6 is in division. When it goes to RHS side, it becomes multiplication. So 5 into 6. So the value of n is equal to 30. Like this, you have to find the solutions for simple equations. Okay? Next, now we will go to the exercise. Exercise 2. In exercise 2, we have 2 bits. I will explain first bit and second bit. I will explain some problems. Some problems I will give as homework. Okay? Exercise 2. Exercise 2. In exercise 2, first bit, solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. Without transposing and check your result. Without transposing and check your result. Result. 2 bits are there. It is first bit. In second bit, I will explain 2 problems. Remaining problems you have to complete. First question: x plus 5 is equal to 9. X plus 5 is equal to 9. Here they said that without transposing. Should not transpose here. Then what you have to do? In LHS side, we need only x. But here what is the more numerical external number plus 5. So we have to subtract plus 5. We have to remove subtract. We have to remove plus 5. So what we have to do? X plus 5 is equal to 9. So should not transport the symbols here. Symbols transport చేయకూడదు. అట్లా చేయకూడదు అంటే ఏం చేయాలి? In LHS side we need only x. But here we have plus 5 as extra. To remove plus 5, what we have to do? We have to subtract minus 5. We have to subtract 5 from LHS and RHS side. Now subtract minus 5 from LHS and RHS. We have to subtract 5. Now x plus 5 we have to subtract minus 5. Minus 5 is equal to 9 minus 5. From LHS you have to subtract 5. From RHS also you have to subtract 5. Now just now in the previous class I said same numbers with opposite symbols. Plus 5 minus 5 will get cancelled. Only x is left. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the value of x is 4 without transporting the symbol. Like this. Next second question. Y minus 12 is equal to minus 5. Second question. Y minus 12 is equal to minus 5. Now in LHS side here we need only y. But here what we have here extra minus 12. So to remove minus 12 what we have to do? We have to add plus 12 to this 12. So y minus 12 is equal to minus 5. Now add plus 12 to LHS and RHS. Y minus 12 we have to add plus 12 minus 5 plus 12. We have to add plus 12 to both LHS and RHS. Now same numbers with different symbol. Opposite symbol plus 12 minus 12 plus 12 will get cancelled. Y is equal to minus 15 plus 12. Answer is minus 3. Answer is minus 3. Next 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. Third question. 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. Same. First of all, 3x plus 4. Here we need only x. First of all, we have to remove 4. Then we will remove 3. How to remove? See here. 3x plus 4 is equal to 19. Subtract minus 4 from LHS and RHS. 3x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 19 minus 4. Now plus 4 minus 4 same number with opposite symbols. Plus 4 minus 4 will get cancelled. 3x is equal to 19 minus 4 it is 15. Here we need only x. Here we need only x. So what we have to do to find the x? If you divide 3x by 3 with 3 then you will get the value of only x. Now divide 3. Divide with 3 for LHS and RHS. Dividing like this, dividing 3. Dividing both sides by 3. Both means two sides, LHS and RHS side. Both sides by 3. Now divide. Divide means 3x by 3 only is equal to 15 by 3. Now here we have 3. 3 will get cancelled, only x will left. In 3 table 5 is possible, 3 5 is 15. So the value of x is 5. Next fourth question. 9z is equal to 81. 9z is equal to 81. Solution. Dividing. What we have to do, Nana? Here we need only z. So we have to divide both sides with 9. Dividing both sides by 9. 9z by 9 is equal to 81 by 9. 9 will get cancelled, only z will left. 9 9s are 81. The value of z is 9. Next, fifth question. 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 12. X plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Now, see. 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Should not transforming the signs. Transforming the signs, terms. Terms ni transform cheyakudadu kada appudu em cheyali. So first of all we have to remove 5x. So solution 3x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 2. Subtract 5x from both sides. Subtract 5x from both sides. Both sides means LHS side and RHS side. Now 3x plus 8, we have to subtract 5x. So minus 5x is equal to 5x plus 2 minus 5x. Now see, here 5x and 3x only. You have to subtract 3x from 5x. Should not subtract 3x plus from 8. Because only same number, same term should be, same terms you have to subtract here. It is 3x, it is 5x, but here there is no x to subtract. It is only numerical number. Don't subtract a numerical number from a simple equation. Simple equation and subtract you have to subtract the same terms. Now 3x and 5x both are same terms. So you can subtract, otherwise write like this only. We'll subtract that. 3x minus 5x is equal to minus 2x plus 8 is equal to 5x plus 5x minus 5x. Same numbers with opposite symbols. It is plus 5x, it is minus 5x. So it gets cancelled, only 2 will left. Only 2 will left. Here what we need here? We need only x. So subtract 8 from both sides. Subtract 8 from both sides. Minus 2x plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 2 minus 8. Plus 8 minus 8 will get cancelled. Minus 2x is equal to minus 8. Minus 2x is equal to minus 8. What we need here? Here we need only x. So divide both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2. Now here we have minus symbol, here we have minus symbol, we can cancel. Minus minus will get cancelled. Now it becomes only 2x is equal to 8. It becomes only 2x is equal to 8. Here we need only x. Here we need only x. So what we have to do? Dividing both sides by 2. So 2x by 2 is equal to 8 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. X is equal to 2 ones are 2 fours. X is equal to 4. So sixth problem is there. Sixth problem is same like fifth problem. We have to complete. Next second bit. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your result. Here solve the following equations and by transposing and check your result. Here also we have to check the result. For first bit we did not check, no problem. For second bit we have to check the result. Second bit, first question. 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Now here we can transpose the symbol, term. We can transpose the term. So in LHS side here we need only y. So y is equal to 7. Now send this 2 to RHS side. Now plus 2 will becomes minus 2. So y is equal to 5. For the answer, you have to draw the box like this. Now we have to check the result. To check the result, what we have to do? Substitute the value of y in 2 plus y is equal to 7. Otherwise, write like this. 2 plus y is equal to 7. It is equation 1. Equation 1. Now to find the value of y, what we have to do? From this 7 we have to subtract 2. Why we have to subtract 2? Because this 2 is in LHS side. When it comes to this 2 to RHS side, plus 2 will becomes minus 2. So the value of y is equal to 5. 7 minus 2, it is 5. Now to check the result, what we have to do? Substitute the value of y in equation 1. What is equation 1, Nana? Equation 1 is 2 plus y is equal to 7. What is the value of y? The value of y is 5. So 2 plus y we have to write in the place of y is equal to 7. 2 plus y is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. So the value of y is correct. First solution has completed. Next, second solution. 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. Second one, 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. Solution, 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. It is equation 1. Now, LHS side only, alphabet should be in LHS side. So, send this 3 to RHS side. Plus 3, minus 3 will becomes plus 3, 5 plus 3. So, 2a is equal to 5 plus 3, it is 8. We need only 2. So, what we have to do? Send this 2 to the RHS side. Before 2 in LHS side, the relation between a and 2 is multiplication. When it goes to RHS side, it becomes division. So, a is equal to 8 by 2. A is equal to 2 ones are 2 fours are. We got the value of a is equal to 4. Now, how to check? Substitute the value of a is equal to 4 in equation 1. What is equation 1, Nana? Equation 1 is 2a minus 3 is equal to 5. It is equation 1. So, in the place of a, what we have to write? 4. 2 into, the relation between 2 and a is multiplication. So, 2 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 5. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. Understand? You have to check your result like that. So, in exercise second bit we have 10 problems. So, all the 10 problems are like this. So, only I will explain 6th one and 10th one. Remaining problems you have to complete. 6th one and 10th one. 6th question is 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. Now they have given x plus 4 is in bracket. So what is the meaning further of x plus 4? That means you have to multiply both 5 with x and 5 with 4. How to multiply? See here. For example, if you have like this. Properties of integers lo నేర్చుకున్నాము. Associative property, commutative property. Now 5, we have to multiply this 5 with 3. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 4s are 20. Same like here also. You have to multiply 5 with x. 5 into x plus 4 is equal to 35. Now it is equation 1. Now we have to multiply 5 into x, 5x plus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 35. Completed. Otherwise assume it is equation 1. It is equation 1. Now find 5x is equal to, after is equal to first number is 35. Now we have to send this plus 20 to RHS side. LHS side this 20 is in plus. 20 has plus symbol. When it goes to RHS, it becomes minus 20. 5x is equal to 35 minus 20 is 5 minus 0, 5, 3 minus 2, 1. 5x is equal to 15. Here in LHS side we need only x. So x is equal to, before is equal to, that means in LHS side 5 and x both are in multiplication. When it goes to RHS side, this 5 will divides with 15. So 15 by 5. X is equal to 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15 directly. X is equal to, the value of x is 3. Now same like substitute the value of x is equal to 3 in equation 1. What is equation 1? Equation 1 is 5x plus 20 is equal to 35. Now we have to write, in the place of x we have to write 3. The relation between 5 and x is multiplication. So 5 into 3 plus 20 is equal to 35. 5 3 is 15 plus 20 is equal to 35. 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 is equal to 35. Like this we have to check. For first bit also, if you want to check, for first bit also you can check, no problem. Next, 10th one. 3 into x minus 3 is equal to, you have to complete remaining all problems, you have to complete. Then 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2x plus 1. Same like first one just now. Solution. 3 into x minus 3 is equal to 5 into 2x plus 1. Now we have to multiply. 3 into x, 3x minus 3 3s are 9 is equal to 5 2s are 10. X we have to write as it is. 5 2s are 10, x as it is, plus 5 1s are 5. Now take it is equation 1. Now 3x. Now numerical number should be one side and alphabet number should be one side. Now 10x is alphabet number, sorry. So you can bring to LHS side. Now 10x is in RHS side with plus symbol. When it comes to LHS side, it becomes minus symbol. So it becomes minus 10x is equal to plus 5. Now plus 5 only should take. Plus 5 is there. Plus 5 as it is. You have to write. Now minus 9 is in LHS side. When you write this minus 9 in RHS side, becomes minus 9 becomes plus 9. So 3x minus 10x. 3 minus 10 is minus 7. Here we have x. So x we have to write as it is equal to 9 plus 5 is 14. We need only x. X is equal to 14 by 7. Minus symbol, either if you want to write in numerator, you can write in numerator. Either if you want to write in denominator, you can write in denominator, no problem. Now it is possible to cut 7 ones are 7 twos are. So the value of x is minus 2. Here we have minus symbol, should not forget minus symbol. If you forget minus symbol, then you will get, in checking you will get answer as differently. So minus, here we have minus, so minus 2. Now substitute x is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 3x minus 9 is equal to 10x plus 5. Now 3 into minus 2 minus 9 is equal to 10 into minus 2 plus 5. 3 into minus 2 minus 6 minus 9 is equal to 10 2s are 20 minus 20 plus 5. Minus 6 minus 9 minus 15 is equal to minus 20 plus 5 is minus 15. Both sides we have minus symbol. Minus minus will get cancelled. 15 is equal to 15. Like this. Okay. Next I will explain 7th one. Nana. Remaining all you have to write. 7th one. Minus 3x is equal to 15. 7th one. equal to 15. It is equation 1. Here we need only x, so what we have to do? X is equal to 15 by 3. Minus also you should write. Should not write minus for alphabets. You have to write always minus for numerical numbers only. So we will write that minus in numerator. Either if you want to write in denominator also no problem. 3 ones are 3 fives are. So x is equal to 3 fives are. మీరు ఎక్కడ రాసిన ఆన్సర్ మళ్ళీ 5 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి న్యూమరేటర్ లో రాస్తే కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వదు, మర్చిపోతారు. కానీ డినామినేటర్ రాసి లైన్ అనుకుంటారు, అదే న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉంటే -15 కాబట్టి 3 ones are 3 fives are -5. Now what we have to do? Substitute x is equal to -5 in equation 1. So x is equal to -5. -3x is equal to 15. It is equation 1. So -3 into what is the value of x? -5 is equal to 15. 3 5s are 15. Minus into minus plus. 15 is equal to 15. So I think 4 to 5 problems has completed out of 10. So remaining all problems are your homework. In exercise 2, first bit and second bit is your homework. I hope you have understood this class. If you have any doubts, make call to me and ask me, I'll explain again. I hope you have understood. So complete your homework. Again we will meet in the next class with another exercise. Okay children?